Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to grow together in a relationship through meaningful conversations. These aren't just about exchanging information, they're about building intimacy, understanding, and a shared vision for the future. We'll explore topics that encourage bonding and those to approach carefully to prevent tension. Remember, the goal is to strengthen your connection and create a love that deepens over time. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights and tips on nurturing your relationship. As human beings, we are wired for connection and belonging. We long to be seen, understood, and cherished by another. And what better way to deepen that connection than by sharing our hopes and aspirations for the future? Ask your partner, where do you see us in 5-10 years? Listen not just to their words, but to the emotions behind them. Do they express excitement, a sense of shared adventure? Or do their words reveal hidden anxieties or unspoken expectations? This is your opportunity to bridge the gap between your individual dreams and create a shared vision for the future. Remember, a relationship thrives when both partners feel seen, heard, and supported in pursuing their aspirations, both individually and as a couple. Our past experiences, both big and small, shape who we are and how we navigate the world. By revisiting cherished memories, we rekindle the joy, laughter, and love that brought us closer. Ask your partner, what's your favorite memory of us so far? As they share, pay attention to their non-verbal cues, the sparkle in their eyes, the warmth in their voice. These subtle expressions reveal the depth of their emotions and deepen your understanding of their inner world. Sharing these moments of joy and connection strengthens your bond and reminds you of the solid foundation you've built together. In a healthy relationship, both partners are allowed and even encouraged to grow and evolve as individuals. This means embracing change, exploring new interests, and continuously learning about ourselves and the world around us. Ask your partner, what's something new you'd like to learn or try? Or have your priorities or values changed recently? These questions provide a safe space for open and honest communication about your evolving selves. Remember, supporting each other's growth, even if it leads you on different paths for a while, is essential for a thriving relationship. Embrace the journey of personal growth, both individually and as a couple. In the busyness of daily life, it's easy to take our partners for granted, but expressing gratitude, even for the smallest gestures, can have a profound impact on the emotional climate of your relationship. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate the things your partner does, both big and small. Tell them, what's something I did recently that you appreciated? Or, here's what I admire about you right now. These expressions of appreciation and admiration create a positive feedback loop, fostering a deeper sense of love and connection. Remember, a simple thank you can go a long way in nurturing a loving and fulfilling relationship. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in our own to-do lists and forget to connect on a deeper level. That's why daily check-ins are crucial. These don't have to be long, drawn-out conversations. A simple, how's work or life treating you? Anything stressing you out? Or what's been the best part of your week? Can make all the difference. By creating a space for open and honest communication about the everyday ups and downs, you strengthen your bond and show your partner that you're there for them no matter what life throws their way. Shared interests are the threads that weave the tapestry of a lasting relationship. They provide opportunities for laughter, adventure, and connection outside the routines of daily life. Ask your partner, is there a hobby we can explore together? Or what's something you'd like to do as a couple that we haven't tried yet? These questions spark excitement and create anticipation for new experiences you can share, whether it's trying a new sport, taking a cooking class, or simply exploring a new part of your city. Shared interests inject novelty and excitement into your relationship, strengthening your bond and creating lasting memories. Just like any living organism, relationships require nurturing and attention to thrive. This means taking the time to reflect on your strengths as a couple and identifying areas where you can grow and improve. Ask your partner, what do you think we do well as a couple? And are there areas where we could improve or try something new? These questions open the door to constructive conversations about your relationship dynamics, communication patterns, and how you can better meet each other's needs. Remember, a willingness to grow and evolve together is essential for a love that stands the test of time. Laughter is the soundtrack to a happy relationship. It lightens the mood, strengthens your bond, and reminds you to not take life too seriously. So inject some fun and playfulness into your conversations. Ask your partner, if we could live anywhere for a year, where would it be? Or what's a silly or adventurous thing we should put on our bucket list? These light-hearted questions ignite your imagination, spark joy, and remind you of the playful connection you share. Remember, growing together in a relationship is about nurturing a shared bond while respecting each other's individuality. It's about creating a space where you can be vulnerable, supportive, and truly present with each other. By focusing on positive, future-oriented topics and addressing sensitive subjects with care, you'll create a foundation for growth and connection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips and insights.